kahle wangena umfana washaya futhi akashanga nje noma yini ushaya idark beauty kwababa man
Aha. Yabona like inhliziyo ngikhathele. If ngingahlanzi la ngihlanza le. Oh ha.
O hlatsa hona ha o tsamaye ho ha.
Awusho, ukhopha kanjani?
Kodwa ndimithi. I know it. No, I had a dream.
This is a Moroka flat, and you are not a Moroka. Ke batla o fotseke mona ba nkutlwa. O fotseke man.
Kini ke sena matla fa go konomaka mabane bosigo.
Yes. Bendinomsindo kakhulu. No, yesterday was supposed to be a peaceful day. A sacred day. Kodwa nyana andikholela nyana ukuba uMiss Moroka angadisrespecta imemorial ka nyana wakhe kanjalo nje. Ibingekho kulu kangako ewe. But it mattered to me. Naye.
Eish. Hulwa o sentsane wa apere diaparo tsa go roula. Ke o ipiletsa madimabe fela. And o ne a sa naganele ka seo.
Omoroka bacinga uba bangapha kuThixo. Ngapha kumthetho.
Ke ka lebaka la tšhelete. Le etsa gore ba nagane gore ba phela go lefatsheng le leng. Ha ke tsebe gore o expecta gore moya wa kamo o ka robala jwang morago ga sena.
Ebengafani nomama Kukam. He was too kind to be a trouble spirit.
Leso le sehlogo. Batho ba lokileng ke bona ba tsamayang pele.
Of. Tsela.
I feel awful. I'm so sorry.
You're not the one. You should apologize, kid.
That was disgusting what my mother did. And as per usual, who convinced Khori she was in the right.
Yeah, I'll never understand her.
I've given up on trying. Oh, let me help.
Ska kgathatsega. Re tla konomaka.
No. You should rest, old man. It is disrespectful to let your elders break their backs.
Wa itse wena le autu wa gago. Nke be le belegileng ko family e different. Le na le dipelo tse dintle. Empa di jeans tse dimpe.
mntanami usapenda namanje
Oh, angasithola isikhathi sokulinda.
yini ulele khona lana yini
Lele la.
wena wasabe kusegoli la ziyenzeka izinto qhuma spam qhuma sagila qhuma drug yonke into isiphithiphithi nje yenzeka khona la fanele kubheke ungabunqesta uzenza uclever endaweni ezokulimaza ngoba nangapha qhuma ispam kufa umuntu ngapha qhuma ispam so uzoyiphila kanjani ukuthi uzozenza uclever
Mina ke ngihlala ngale kwendlela. Lalela ke. Ucabanga igalari bazoyithanda.
aw mntana mina ngazi lutho into seathi
Hawu, angisho mara kosele ungitshela ukuthi wena uyayithanda na, uzizwa njani ngayo?
ya kona kuhle kodwa phela akufani nalokho bawukwenza ngaphambili kuhlukile wona
Babuthiwa khona. My usual style won't carry it. Kanike ngibona kulithobele right lelo ukuthi ngikhangise.
kusho bani ngoba mina ngiyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho
Well, ngenze research about the gallery. It's super fancy. Kanike ngibona kungiwe umkhangisi abawuthengisa kulapha.
mntana musho hayi ngoba mhlawumbe kufonelwe wena ngoba befuna into ehlukile eqhamuka ngqo kuwena mase ufuna ukwenza nje njengabonke abantu usufana yonke into awusasiyona iqhanitholakala uyayibona leyo nto
Khona mara bajiwa khona ikhantolakala ingisephi ingibekephi. And umzibe kahlala atsho ukuthi umkhangisi wami uyaba confuse abantu.
Hey, ngalothi uphathe igama yalo muntu. Ngoba umuntu onjengaloyo wenza amadoda abukele phansi abantu besifazana. Bahlukumezeke ngomcabango, bangacabanga ngendlela fanele bacabanga ngayo. Ubangazathi bayacontrol, yiswe ngishoyo. So angifunda abalo bhuti.
Mara bajiwa khona what if beka right? What if ngiyo indlela le Nkosi ukuthi ngiphule ngayo isikhala lapha eExpo?
Uyazena ngitshela into ongazange uzoyibuza. Ngiqala ukufika mina la eGoli ngathola amadoda ashintsha ukwenza. Ashintsha indlela akhuluma ngayo nabelungu babo, ashintsha indlela akhuluma ngayo nentombi zabo, nabantu ababengazi. Bashintsha indlela abaqoka ngayo. Bashintsha indlela abahamba ngayo. Wangazathi bafuna ukubukwa, bakhohlwa ukuthi bangobani. Mntanami, labo wona bapheli lapha. Gone, pheli indaba ku finish. Yabona la kuseGoli. Azange kuthiwa kanyama kayipheli kuphela amazinyo endoda ngoba kudlalwa. Qina nje uthi ubani wena. Ungalibu ushintshwa abantu wenza into ngendlela ofanele uyenze ngayo ngokuthi wena uyazazi ubani ungenzeli uzama ukuchaza abantu ngoba uzophela emgaqweni njengethayi seGoli la.
Le combo yamasha ne. Yazi chocolate ofana nami. Strong, dark, nanokuthi phela ayibonga imnandi. Wena fana ne strawberry, omuhle. Lady in red. Bafowethu, itiming kodwa yini manje? Bravo.
Uncle what?
No, lalela umngani mfethu phela.
Ngani? Yebo uqala ukuthi
Hayibo, lalela phela angisho kanjalo. Angisama strawberry asekhona nje. Malalela, akishaye khona ngisho nama blueberry, All right. Aha, lalela. So besishaya phela into siqede.
Ingena phuma last like a revolving door of chips like wins.
Bayo kahle ngiyitaste vuma bethu.
Do you even know her name? Wow.
Yini ufunani?
Awuqashe uqoke. I can't take you seriously right now. So bengikade ngicabanga lana ukuthi yini singaceli abantu basubmit ama stories abo and publish them kwiqiniso.
Oh, abanye abantu ngaphandle kwalaba abekade beyimagesti kwi-podcast.
Exactly. Bese sihlanganisa wonke ama stories and make a book list to give to schools across the country.
Yazi, mafethu, yazi ngalendlela sobe siyithinta straight phela youth ne?
Yes, banike information ngendlela bazorelate ngayo.
Ayi ngiyithanda iplan yakho kodwa ngathi iyadura nje vi.
Like a good thing our new bosses are rich. How are you affording the strawberries in this economy?
Ayi vele inhliziyo mayisuka naloko esuke ikufuna, hoyinikeze esuke ikufuna.
Ngizokubizela SIU. They gotta investigate the strawberries.
When my mom threatened to kick you out, I was like, whoa, new low unlocked.
She's not the first Morocco to threaten me.
Wait, what? Spill.
They once arrived here like an army. Gogo Ukamu put me in this flat. Kodwa ayinamsebenzi man. No, unyanisile mama xa isithi iflat yefamily yakho le.
But still, she can't just kick you out.
But she can, Kat. Eyona nto yam apha izimpahla zam qha.
But where are you gonna go?
Ndiyorenta somewhere. Njengase Alex. Wanifumana njalo ke ubhuti wakho. Ndisengozini, ndisoyika, naive, to be honest. He basically rescued me. Sasingekho serious kangako ngoko kodwa yamazi manje ubhuti wakho njani. You know, always ready to help.
True that. Kama always stepped in when everyone else didn't want to get involved.
Yiloo nto uThixo emthathe msinya nje. He's too good for this world.
I'd like to believe that. But either way, he wouldn't want you to be out on the street.
Nothing I can do about that, Kat.
Nonsense. Fight back. Prove to them that you deserve to be here. And when this comes back positive, no Morocco would dare to kick you out. is taking so long?
Ayibo, le nto ayifani novula uvale ntepu.
I'm sorry, but it kind of is.
Ndiyazama apha.
And? Iring.
It's positive. I'm pregnant.
Oh my goodness, I'm going to be an aunt! And you're going to be a mother. How do you feel?
Loo nto itsho uba i-vision ibiyinyani. Or at least iphathi kaXabiso. Because in the dream, Gamo and I were married. And that will never happen.
At least this way, you get to keep Gamo alive. And that's something to hold on to.
That's everything.
Wentando ngithe ngeke ngikhulume nawe uqala mfana wami ngaphambi kwangikhulume noMasebe. Hayibo, sumfuzi wangamshini uyihlo. Ngiyeza uthi uyanqofoza kule smart sathe so noMasebe.
Time. O lady nkabe anana so. Hey. Mpa mathata serious man.
Ye. Ungaletha noma yiphi intombazane enginyoka ngeke asayivume. Ngisho noma kuthi uletha uMiss South Africa mselufu.
Akasi buru problem ya haike. Mama sebe kaba makoti o perfect.
Makoti? Hayi ngathi uyagagamela manje mfana. Umjolo nje lo. Akusinto umakoti, into yokushada umakoti into abantu abaqinile.
Timer. Ke na wanete. Ka iutla seo. Kinana ka yena. Kana ko ekaufela.
Hoyi usekusanganisa yini mfana? Ungakazi uphume nje la Alex uye eCape Town noma eThekwini okoMozambique usukhuluma into oyikhulumayo.
Timer. Ke morata haholo. Akinana uri nka fumana mosadi a tshwanang le yena.
Na uyibambe lapho. Uyabona abantu besifazane mfana bafana lebhokisi ezivamisa ukulithenga lamapheke kaChristmas. Khona sidudla, khona Slender, khona Yellow Buzz, khona Black Thunder, yonke into lapha. Wena uthatha nje ikhekhe utaste. Uthatha ini utaste. Ngeke uthatha itaste ikhekhe lodwa. Usuteste lo suphelele khona lapha. Kahle wena uzenza isiphukuphuku man.
Baba. Ka mo qeteletse ngona le bana ba ba 10, ne?
Ngingamhlonipha uSomandla. Wathi asande ezweni. Ngenza imiyalelo yakheke.
Se o so hlalosa hore ha wa sebedisa condom 10 times. Ana ke nahane hore ke ka mogo modimo o ibeileng ka teng.
Doctor, Sanmona, I've been trying to get a minute with you for days, Bandla, yes?
Now's not a good time, Lucy.
Then when? When I'm dead?
Let's do it.
Mamela, Doctor, Mamela, Zokulmela pants, okay? Listen, the only thing I need to know is if the chemo is working or not, if my body is responding, or if I have a chance.
Unfortunately, it's too early to tell.
Then when are you going to know, okay?
In 6 weeks' time. That's when we'll schedule a scan to see if the tumor's shrinking. Be patient. You've only just started the chemotherapy.
6 weeks? Well, now you know what a lot can happen in 6 weeks.
No, don't do that. There's a good chance that the therapy has already started working, but 6 weeks gives the tumor an opportunity to change size physically. You don't want a false result.
So there's a big chance, Uchi, it might not shrink.
Nothing's 100% certain. All we can do right now is give it time.
Hey, daughter, the time is the one thing I don't have.
If it hasn't shrunk by then, we will pursue other options.
And then in the meantime, Milana, I must wait and wait for something we don't have a guarantee for.
I'm sorry, but waiting right now is the only option we have.
Oh,
Sando sami awungakhathazeki ngizozama ukuthi ngikubone namhlanje ebusuku mamaza. Okay, bye.
Uyabona uLucy kusehla?
Lucy. Oh ya uLucy. Ya ngizobona uLucy.
Yini ngabe konke kuhamba kahle?
Kuningi engqondweni ngona kodwa ke le ngane impela ziyangilinga stru.
Senzeni-ke manje Ntando?
Kahle kahle mntaba kusinto ayenzile. Into ayikhulumile. Lengane sencane yabodwa umlomo wayo mkhulu kakhulu. Khulumela safuthi.
Sonke masile kule minyaka yakhe ecabanga ukuthi isazi konke.
Ya mhlasimbe. Nxa angikushiye kunento esafanele ngathi kuyiqoqaqoqa ngizenza nomntaka baba.
Yini ngempela yenzekayo ki?
Mntaka baba njengoba besho nje abafanga ukuthi impilo le kwenza isikhathi ipopo kwesinye isikhathi ikrep. Khuleka mntaka ungaphathwa inhliziyo yokuzuluma.
What do you think? Do you like?
They're not really what I was expecting.
Oh.
What happened to those cage sculptures of yours? I mean, the photos you sent me were great, but I was hoping to see them up close.
Long story short, they are somewhere in the rubbish bin.
What, you threw them away?
No, I didn't. I live in a place where people treat art like rubbish.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Nomazebi, but those cage sculptures were why I reached out to you in the first place.
I was just trying to do something new.
Oh, fair enough. I know artists like to experiment. Have you got anything else to show me?
Ya, kukrele kana ko right no sa.
Mangabe cousin yakhe ithathile ngempela le art. Kuyomela ibuye.
Ya, ibili rikaya no hinga. Dula section efi. Hayi, ntona yazini makancane nje. Yabona la kulomhlaba lo. Ayikho nje into yamali. Mara uthithe art ya girlfriend yakhe.
Ya, and icala elibomvu kabi.
Ya. Lucas Recon toiling ya rona.
Elamini cousin yami sebeyithembisa inyoka enhle kabi for lama material. So inyuko phambili. Alright, into esoyikhuluma.
Come on, girlfriend. Utla lo batla dintho tse ding.
Na itshiri yakho kunjalo.
Ya, mara ho wena ke tšhelete fela. O yena ke di hour tse ngata tse mosebetsi.
Ya. Oh. Hayi ke shoot kuzomela ngidawulishe le price.
Double.
Yeah. Phela kuyacaca ukuthi wona uthi nesiba ready ukuthi uchaze neshare yakho. And yabona lento leyo bafanazi. Zokhosta. Only money that I want.
Kiabetsu, I respect your anger and feelings. I do. But to make a scene like that, that's taking it too far.
Lulama had no right to write a memorial service.
But to lose it like that, that's unheard of. All somebody had to do was pull out a phone and start recording.
And do you think I care? What I shouldn't do?
You may not care, but the family would be humiliated.
Well, Lulama humiliated me. She got me arrested in front of staff of Ezweni, Lit Triple M. I was shamed in public by the press.
There's better ways to deal with these things.
Sleeping with my son while plotting against me. Huh?
Well, she thought she was doing a good thing, but a memorial is no place to lash out.
Well, I was in prison because of her. I was in isolation. I'll never see Gamu because of her.
That's not true.
Yes, it is true. If Nasafa Mapone had that information, the Molois wouldn't have come for us. I mean, she literally ripped our lives apart, man.
The public doesn't know that. All they see is a hysterical mother who's going after her son's girlfriend.
Yeah, well, I don't care. I'm gonna drag her out of that flesh. I wish I could do the same go as we.
Busula abokotshwane khaitsediak. If you're not clever about this, you're gonna end up looking bad.
Well, I'm not gonna rest until she's back in that rat-infested Alexander Moa Bilongang thing where she should have stayed, Kumo.
Ow! Kahlebo, istina nguyenzani mali ngakho?
Before dilo tsaka time.
Iziphi into zakho ukhuluma ngazo ungangitsheli mina ngiyihlo. Dani. Soshaya bo ish. Thatha yonke le mali ngikunikeze zona. Kanti uthathe le mali wena uyofukuza nendanda ngayo. No.
Hayi Thama. Na, kuyatsuba. Hayi, never.
Phoke khuluma. Le mali ngakuzoyenza.
Okay, gift for Sebe.
Ntando. Ungathathi le mali ubukhuluma into ezenzayo. Kanti siwenza into errong kwiqiqa umuntu useza uthiwa untando useshafta usele.
Hayi Thama. Kitse ka moghatalo. Akere ka monyala ka usana. Anti Thama.
Mana kancane ngulaza ubambe nje lapha. Ngaphambi uthathe le mali afenge ngikufundise ukuthi umuntu wesimama waba semphatha kanjani.
Waka aja uyetsa bana. Lefatsile ka ofela.
Ngiyona ntando. Angiyena untanga wakho ngingakhulumi nami kanjalo.
Okay, sorry Thama. Excuse.
Mina ngifuna ukunikeza isithombe sokuthi uma wathandana nomuntu wesifazane uhlala ukhona la enhlizweni yakangakhohlwa. Kube wena nje wena wakufika amanye amadoda ethe afika ayikhona wena okwamama sumile lapha.
Njalo ka udliki.
Ngo. Yabona makuthiwa amanzi ahamba phinda hambe lami bekhona hayi kwamabasa waba simpopho umhlali ikhona. 19 years buka samile amanzi namanje.
That's why mom's ohloyile nomsiso.
Yeah, kodwa ke mina ngifaka isithombeni sika noMasebe. Kuthi noMasebe umuntu angabe yedwa bambana lapha. Ungabe ijuba man.
Mara, what if ke batla yena fe?
Nwentando. Wena siyolahlela nje imbewu yakho la kunoda khona kuna khona imvula. We, mfana. Izulu City. Uzokhwelwa izagila okanye isinemuvali yabuko. Awungakhelwa kwezagila ube isinemuvali bukwayo. Thatha le mali.
Ngakwenza lokho ngasethe nje. Enkosi Sophia, sekulate.
Ma'am, Zamani won't be staying longer. Rahuleboga Sophia.
Yes. Where's my mom?
Go to Moa Club. And when you better be gone before she comes downstairs.
We need to talk to her.
Ma is on a warpath after last night, Katako. Harizoro wa reacting after Bonao.
You're not going anywhere.
Tshepa gore o tse se nokelo sa flat.
Miss Moroka, do you understand about I'm the last person you want to see right now?
And yet you're here, Lulam. How khathale wena go nthoshara?
Just hear her out.
No. Ke khathetse ko tella ke ngwanyana ona man. You little tramp. Mom, what's wrong with you? Huh? Una le sebete wena go fitla mona mo ntlong ya mene after everything you've taken from me, my self-respect, my reputation, le ngwanaka.
Bo, that wasn't my fault.
Oh no, Lulama. Kamu is much better than you will ever be in your life. Yeah.
Believe it or not, I wish the same.
Oh, please, don't act all righteous with me, Lulama. The opportunist. You do whatever it takes. And you almost did. You almost trapped my son, Wena. You gold digger. Come on. Stop! Get out!
This is between them.
Get out of here, Lulama. Get out of here, man!
She's pregnant.
Show.